Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to star lace shoes. This will be an easy shoelace tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I will be demonstrating and explaining each and every step. And I'm not going to be referring to it as the right side or the left side or vice versa, because it might be different depending on how you're looking at your shoe and the way that you're viewing the video. So I'm just going to show you what to do and tell you what to do based on the sides that you're seeing, and then you can sort of apply that to your own shoe. So we're going to start off by going on one side, and we're going to go to the third ring from the top. So 1, 2, third ring from the top. I'm going to go out to in, I like to call it, okay? So out to in, just like that, okay? And then on the opposite side, with the opposite side of the shoelace, with the opposite end of the shoelace, third ring from the top, out to in, just like that, okay? Now you want to pull the shoelace to sort of make it even, so get both ends, pull them up until they're about even, just like that, okay? So as you can see right here, now we're going to move on to the next step, okay? Which is basically we're going to go on this side over here, okay? So like I said, you're going to sort of pick a side, it doesn't really matter, but we're going to go on this side over here, and I'm going to go to the bottom hole, okay? And I'm going in to out on the bottom hole, okay? Now make sure you're going under the lace. You don't want to be going over this lace, you're going under the lace, as you can see right there. I'm going to the bottom hole on the same side, and I'm going in to out. So from the inside to the outside, okay? Pull it nice and tightly, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So once again, going underneath the shoelace to the bottom hole, in to out, just like that, okay? Then I'm going to take my left shoelace. Well, I'm saying left because it's on my left, but I'm going to take this side over here. I said I wasn't going to do it, and I did it anyways. I'm going to take this side over here, and I'm going out to in on the opposite side, on the third from the top again. So I'm taking this side, I'm going out to in on the opposite side, so across, third from the top. There's already a lace there, as you can see. That's what we're going to do, okay? Pull it decently tight. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the opposite side. So take this side right here that's at the bottom, go across, and then third ring from the top, we are going out to in, just like that, okay? Very simple. Now we're going to be working with this side over here, okay? So I'm taking this side over here, and basically I'm going in to out on the top ring on the same side, okay? So I'm taking this side right here, I'm going in to out on the top ring on the same side, as you can see right there, okay? Then I'm taking the same lace that I just worked with, and I'm going across, okay? I'm going across, out to in. So I'm going over, across on the top ring on the other side, okay? Out to in, just like that, all right? So now I have, this is important to pay attention right here. Now I have, as you can see, two laces on the same side. So I have two laces on the same side. One's higher up on the top ring, and the other one's on the third ring from the top. So I'm going to be referring to them as like the higher one and the lower one, okay? So now I'm going to take the lower one on this side, okay? And I'm going to go underneath the laces, okay? And basically I'm going to go, I'm sorry about that, I'm going to take the lower one on this side, and I'm going to go to the lowest ring on the same side. I apologize about that. So I'm taking the lower one on this side, okay? And I'm going to go underneath the laces, okay? To the lowest ring on the same side, and I'm going to go in to out, just like that, all right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same lace that I'm working with, which is the lower one on the same side, okay? And I'm going to go underneath the laces over here. So I'm going underneath the laces, okay? And then I'm popping it up like that. I'm going to wrap it around the top lace. So I'm going around the top lace. That's going to form part of the star right there, okay? Then I'm going to go, once again, as I head, sorry about that. As I head over here, I'm going to go underneath the laces again, okay? And then we are going to go out to in on this side, as you can see right here, out to in, just like that, all right? Looking like a star so far. Bringing this underneath all of the laces, okay? Sort of like secretly. And we're going in to out on this side over here. And we now have created, and I can loosen this up, so I can lengthen this. You can sort of adjust it as you need. You can see that this side is a little bit too long, but basically we want to loosen it up, okay? So let's loosen it up so that we have a nice star pattern, okay? Let's pull this towards the middle, just as you can see right over there. Pull this a bit tighter, and that's it. We have a star pattern on our laces. I'm going to hide these under so that it looks a-okay. As you can see, that is essentially how to create a star lacing pattern on your shoes. It's actually really easy process, and I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video. Very simple, and that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.